Alcohol is a big incentive in the corporate world. Alcohol के बिना कैसे कर रहे तुम लोग यार? If there is any HR in this audience, please include alcohol in CTC.
Make some noise for Anirban Das Gupta.
You know, when we were all growing up, when we were kids, do you remember when we were kids, we were asked this question a lot, कि बड़े होके क्या बनना है? Yeah, now we have become bada. Now no one gives a shit. Now won't it be fun if those guys from the past came back to hold us accountable to all the shit answers we gave when we were kids? That'll be fun, no? They'd be like, oh, astronaut. तेरा हेलमेट में स्विगी क्यों लिखा है? You know, it's fantastic of Naukri.com to organize this. Can we have a big round of applause for Naukri.com? Hardly working. Hardly working is also the status of my marriage. But I'll tell you a few stories of my corporate experience. Actually, before doing stand-up comedy, I was working in a job for 4 or 5 years. And I was in sales, which is the worst job possible. Okay, and the level of sales that I was in was field sales. That's the lowest. Okay, in corporate hierarchy, even watchman was above me. Okay. Also, now that I started doing stand-up comedy, you know, sometimes in corporate shows or in newspaper articles, they will introduce me as Anirban Das Gupta gave up his glorious corporate career to pursue comedy. Glorious? ये किसका था career? And in my job, I had to just do two things. Okay, either I was on the phone lying, or I was in front of the customer lying. But you know, in sales, there is no other option but to not lie, because this is what my job profile was. I had to convince somebody I didn't know to give me money for something that he doesn't need. So the only option is lying, right? And I thought कि sales से ज़्यादा झूठ तो कोई नहीं बोलता है. Till I met consultants. And I remember I was when I was working in my office, you know, there was a client of mine, a textile company from West Bengal. They were doing very well. They used to sell shirts. And at the peak of their profits, they hired a consultant. And the consultant came and told them to diversify. And they said, you should invest in pants. Within 1 year, the company became naked. Still the consultants got paid. They got paid because they delivered what they had promised. Their promise was, we will transform the company. In which direction, they did not specify. Okay, like I was doing sales in the East Zone where people don't have money. So it's a mismatch. It's like trying to sell a bikini in Antarctica. And my territory was Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Bengal. Okay, no sales, only vibes. ठीक है, ये जॉब है जिसमें सिर्फ झूठ बोलना होता है. Actually, I was so good at sales, that's why I'm in comedy now. But and for those of you who haven't done sales, no, I'll explain sales with one story, okay? In my first week of my job, right out of college, I joined my sales job, okay? And in the first week, I was asked to accompany my boss to a big order. There was a big refinery opening in West Bengal. And we had to furnish the whole project. We used to sell furniture. So, बहुत बड़ा order था, very crucial for that year. And we met the purchase manager. And then my boss's genius plan to win this order was, he came and told me, कस्टमर जब बाथरूम जाएगा तुम जाके कंपटीटर का कोट चुरा लो. And this is my first week of my job. Till that point I still have dreams. Okay. and he's asking me to steal stuff. And I'm like, sir, but this is unethical. चोरी करना तो unethical है. And he's like, everything is fair in sales and marketing. I'm like, sir, ये line भी चोरी का है. Basically, हमारा पूरा sales strategy was dependent on customer का pressure. ठीक है. तो अभी वो कस्टमर बाथरूम गया, माय बॉस ऐसे कान लगा के खड़ा है बाथरूम के डोर पे. ठीक है, ये IIM से MBA किया है. अभी वो ऐसे है, ऐसे करके फ्लश का आवाज सुनने का ट्राई कर रहा है. और मैं जाके अपना बैग खोल के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो भी टेबल पे था सब बैग में डाल लिया. ठीक है, उसमें कोट तो लिया है, बिजनेस कार्ड वार्ड भी ले लिया है, और कुछ और भी प्रोजेक्ट्स के भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स ले लिया मैंने. एक्चुअली दैट इज प्रॉब्ली व्हाई द रिफाइनरी हैजंट ओपनड येट. आई हैव द लेआउट्स. ओके. एंड फाइनली आई जिप्ड अप माई बैग. कस्टमर फ्लश करके बाहर है, हम लोग हाथ वाथ मिला के निकल गया. एंड माई बॉस इज हाई फाइविंग मी आउटसाइड द परचेज मैनेजर्स ऑफिस. ठीक है, एंड ही टोल्ड मी समथिंग आई नेवर वांट टू हियर. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू. But I am just reflecting on this कि ये मैंने क्या कर दिया है. And I was trying to reason with my boss कि सर ये करके क्या फ़ायदा हुआ. उसको मिल जाएगा ना कोट, उसको कोटेशन मिल जाएगा ईमेल से, फ़ोन नंबर मिल जाएगा इंटरनेट से. So then I had to steal the Wi-Fi router also. In sales, there is a lot of traveling. Okay, so you get conveyance reimbursement. But for my level of sales, it was only for public transport. Now remember this one time I was in Bihar, okay, in the peak of summer, just outside Patna on the highways, जहाँ पे बहुत warehouses और factories है, and I was cold calling. So I was just doing that in the highways in the peak summer, and I got a heat stroke. Okay, and I fainted for a while. These watchmen, they called the most expensive ambulance that is there in Bihar. ठीक है, 4,000 का ICU वाला एम्बुलेंस बुला लिया. वो एम्बुलेंस देख के मैं ठीक हो गया. ठीक है. But then they are like, अभी एम्बुलेंस आया तो तुमको हॉस्पिटल जाना ही पड़ेगा. बोला नहीं, मैं नहीं जाएगा. बोलते नहीं, पैसे तो देना पड़ेगा, हॉस्पिटल तक लेके जाएगा. And you know, in Bihar, to go to the hospital, a lot of things have to fall in place. First, ambulance has to be there. Second, bridge has to be there. So I came to the hospital in Patna. I got okay. Then I went to Calcutta and I reported to accounts for conveyance reimbursement of this ambulance ride. They immediately said no. Ambulance is not public transport. And I'm like, sir, I could have died. So he's like, then you claim it from health insurance. मैं गया health insurance के पास, and that's the day I realized that only two things are not covered in health insurance: smoking and Bihar. But the only thing that I enjoyed in my office life was events like these where everybody comes together, but mostly like, you know, those offsites and like, you know, annual meets where there is free alcohol, basically. That's what I'm, yeah. You have those events, right? Free alcohol. You don't? Then do you go to these events? Hey, I'm telling you, take it from an outsider, alcohol is a big incentive in the corporate world. Alcohol के बिना कैसे कर रहे तुम लोग यार? If there is any HR in this audience, please include alcohol in CTC. Please. Then all your negotiations will be really quick. Then you can waste more time. But so I remember before I quit my job, there was this leadership summit we had organized, okay, in a 5-star in Kolkata. And my boss, he's from the IIMs, ठीक है? पूरा time वो हम लोग को ऐसे jargon देता है कि think out of the box, think out of the box. कुछ पता नहीं what does that mean exactly. You're saying things like end-to-end solutions as opposed to what? End to middle. हम लोग मेट्रो है क्या कि इधर तक छोड़ेगा फिर रिक्शा ले लेना. So he used to give us all these out of the box karo kaam ye sab karta tha. On the day of this leadership summit, he is leading by example. He is drunk. He is drunk even before the sessions have ended. Okay, session चल रहा है, अंदर कोई motivational speaker बात कर रहा है. He has come out of that banquet hall and he is wobbling. Okay, he is wobbling his way to the bartender to refill his drink. ठीक है, and all his employees ऐसे कोने कोने से ऐसे सारे पर्दे के पीछे से फोन निकाल के थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. ठीक है, फोटो ले रहा है, वीडियो ले रहा है, just in case. Because he has only told us document everything. Okay. 2 hours later, I saw a site that I don't wish on any of you. And that site is of your boss, horizontal. If at any point in your life you come across your boss, horizontal, you should log on to naukri.com. It's time for a new chapter. I saw my boss flat out, horizontal flat out, unconscious. Okay, in one of those small washroom cubicles. Okay, and only his right leg was outside that box. Finally, he has become an I am pass out. But okay, tell me something. Nowadays, there is this fear in the industry that AI is going to replace our jobs. I was reading this in the newspaper that no matter what happens, AI can never replace intuition, judgment, and experience. So it can definitely replace your manager. Are you all fitness freaks and all? Yes, some of you are. You know, nowadays in the corporate world, there is this new trend that everybody goes for a jog, for a workout before office. But my boss was also a fitness freak, but his workout was different. Okay, yeah. Man, I think they know my joke better than me. No, my boss, I'll tell you, my boss used to wake up at 5 in the morning, and then his workout was, he never used to go for a run or anything. He used to wake up at 5 in the morning, then send each of his team members a motivational quote on WhatsApp. And then go back to sleep. That's his workout, okay? And we used to wake up to these horrible motivational quotes. They were demotivational quotes, okay? Okay, plus there are typos. You can't get inspired when you spot a spelling error. उधर लिखा हुआ dedication and pride makes you number 11. मैं क्या fast bowler बनने आया क्या इधर? Hey, during the pandemic, did you enjoy working from home? Yeah. See, like, work from home is a very, 50-50 kind of a topic. Like, whenever I ask this, the room is split. 50% they really loved working from home. Other 50% hate their family. Okay. This guy hates the maximum. Cheer bhi kar raha hai. But work from home is tough. I know my wife has been working from home. It's not easy at all. But the good thing about work from home is that you eliminate office traffic completely, right? Isn't that a wonderful thing? How many of you are really frustrated with office traffic? Just make some noise if you're frustrated with office traffic. Dude, office traffic se bura kuch hai hi nahi, dude. It's the worst kind of traffic. Every morning at the same time, you're stuck in the same place. By now, you know all the cars around you. You know कि उस गाड़ी को सर्विसिंग ड्यू है, ठीक है? वो कर नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि वो उसका मालिक को डेडलाइंस है, ठीक है? In the morning, traffic is a great equalizer where everybody is trying to go to office at 9 so that nobody can reach office at 9. You're getting late for office and you're getting angry because you'll be late for office. Then after some time, you're again angry because now you're in office. ये कैसा है? How is this a good start to the day? सुबह सुबह उठो, ब्रेड जैम, फिर ट्रैफिक जैम, फिर बॉस को मक्खन. is this the breakfast of champions? All right, guys, thank you so much.